The Pacific Ocean is the largest body of water in the world. It encompasses 45% of the planet. A plethora of diverse fishing stocks that sell for a high value in the market inhabit this ocean space, such as the highly migratory species of bluefin tuna and sturgeon, who are fished for their eggs. What is IUU fishing? According to the Marine Resources Assessment Group, illegal fishing is where vessels operate in violations of the laws of the fishery. Unreported fishing is fishing that has been unreported or misreported to the relevant national authority or regional fisheries management organizations in contravention of national and international laws and regulations. Unregulated fishing is fishing conducted by vessels without nationality or vessels flying the flag of a state not party to the regional organization governing the particular fishing region or species. IUU fishing is connected to other transnational crimes that have a significant social impact. Human trafficking, drug trafficking, slavery, lack of adherence to labor laws, and piracy. More significantly, IUU fishing poses both national and international security threats, as it has been shown to finance terrorist organizations in some cases. The environmental impacts of IUU fishing not only include fishing stock depletion, but also affect the health of coral reefs and marine mammals and birds. Much of the negative environmental impacts are associated with new and unsustainable fishing technology, but also due to economic demand for seafood across the globe. IUU fishing contributes to the negative economic impact of legitimate suppliers and vulnerable coastal communities by essentially stealing revenue from developing or undeveloped countries. It is up to the international community to set a standardized, universal framework to combat IUU fishing and stifle transnational crime in the process. But it must also recognize the complexity of each region and cooperate with each country's unique environmental, social, and economic concerns by respecting regional and national sovereignty. Market power is highly influential. Therefore, countries and organizations such as the EU with market power have the ability to positively influence communities to adhere to regulations that are outside their sphere of influence. Better monitoring, control, and surveillance must be implemented. This includes licensing, vessel monitoring systems, identifying irregular navigation patterns, vessel boarding, and port inspection. A monumental reform of the flag of convenience system or its elimination is also suggested. But the most significant solution, and simultaneously the most difficult to realize, would be a behavioral change, a modification of our patterns of consumption.